I'm Jody. We are doing a seed bank video today to show you how to save different kinds of seeds. The first vegetable that we will be featuring is beans, or any type of vegetable in the legume family. These have different kinds of pods that the seeds are actually inside, and there are certain ways to harvest them, and we're going to be showing you one for black-eyed peas or cowpeas.
Alright, today we're going to be showing you how to harvest what kind of seed is this again?
This is a black-eyed pea, otherwise known as a cowpea. These originated in West Africa and are in the bean family. They have 3 leaves, and the pod goes from green to yellow, and finally, when they're ready to harvest, brown, very dry.
Yes, so very dry, papery thin, and once you're able to harvest them, once it looks like this, you just snap it right off of the plant, and you can break the pod open right down the middle, and out come your seeds. They are relatively small, they are pale color, and they've got a small black dot right in the center, so easily identifiable. And whenever you harvest them, make sure you keep them in a dry location and just don't put them in a plastic baggie. Any type of moisture or sunlight might cause them to germinate earlier than you would have liked.